Yo, good day guys. At the moment we are here in the Roywood Reserve. I just stopped here to eat some KFC. I was just coming from my accountant. Did some of my taxation, and now all good, and I'm back to daily vlogging. I actually stopped up vlogging for about 2 weeks. Just because of that, I prepared all the things that is needed to be submitted for the preparation of my tax. And now we're going to Kmart, and we're just going to browse, and also to Aldi because they have a new catalog of products. I saw online that they have this kind of roof rack that maybe I can buy and put on the roof of this car. It is actually a roof cage or roof basket. Roof rack is normally expensive, over $200. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. Yeah, nice. And it's just $9. Actually, they don't have the roof rack that I was expecting. That's maybe next week. I didn't check the date of availability. And we are now here in the car section. Car accessory section here in Kmart. And I'm actually going to get this one. This is a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, and it's $15. I'm not expecting a lot from this $15 vacuum, but it's just $15. This is just similar to the price of one meal of one pad thai and drinks, one McDonald's burger and drinks. $15. It is raining heavy outside. I can hear it from the roof. It really is raining heavy outside. The Jimny is actually in the covered parking. I should put it outside so that it is washed by the rain. Before coming here, I was actually planning to go to the car wash and do the car wash. But I said, I will just wait for the rain. And that's the reason why I also buy this vacuum. So that after the rain, I will be cleaning it inside with this vacuum. In the car wash in Salamander Bay, no, in Anna Bay actually. There is this very strong vacuum cleaning machine. Also car wash, which is I really like, and it's affordable. The rain can actually go through the roof of this car park. We are now here in the Woolworths in Nelson Bay. I'm going to buy something to eat. I don't have any groceries in the house. I finished this morning. The rice that I cooked 2 days ago, I finished this morning. What I have in the house are just the snacks. No real food. They don't have any more here of this, the one that I usually buy before. The dim sum, gyoza, the 50% usually. The cheapest is $7.50. So I'm going to get just this 1 kilo price. And it's $2.95. And look at this. You notice? The eggs very less. And in here also less. I'm going to get this one. If I'm not mistaken, it's just $4.30. And the rest are expensive. This one is just $3.50, but I think it's because it's broken. We are home and it is now 5 o'clock. 5:20. I will show you tomorrow if the vacuum cleaner is working very well. Because this time we're not going to see the dirt inside the car. Outside is a little bit dark already and it's still raining. Yo, good morning guys. It is now 15 minutes to 7 o'clock, and I just get off the bed. Okay, we are now here in the car and we are going to unbox this wet and dry vacuum cleaner by Anko from Kmart. Bought it yesterday. This is just $15, so this is very cheap compared to the compared to the vacuum cleaners that you're going to see in online, and the branded one are very expensive actually. The cheapest one of the branded, like a Black & Decker, is about $39, $40 and more. So basically the first thing that we're going to get is this. It's tiny compared to the normal vacuum nozzle one. And this, it has a brush on it, around it. Nice. And this, the vacuum cleaner, vacuum machine. Very simple. Look at this. If you want to open it, just press this button, just like that. And then inside here, there is this removable filter, and that's it. No other extra. And you just put it back, just normal like that, push, and that's it. And in here there is this power on button. And with this cable for the 12 volts car outlet. But I'm not going to use it in the socket of the car. Instead, I'm going to use this one. I have a power station here. It has this 4.2 meter of power cable. 99% power. Okay, let's do this one first. It actually doesn't work on this power station. That's why I switch on the car and plug it in here. Okay, let's try. So we have this much of dirt. And I think it is doing the job. Let's try in here. There are many small dirt. I don't know what is this. Oh, let me show you this thing. Do you know that I don't know where it is coming from? So I was just keeping just this under here. Okay, I'm actually going to show you how powerful it is. I'm going to put here some sand. And this and leaves, and let's do it. And that's it. I am satisfied. Going to put it out, take it out, switch off the car, Yeah, and I'm satisfied. So it means that my power station is not working very well. It's not good. Yeah, I'm satisfied with that vacuum cleaner. Yeah, yeah, it can remove dirt, and the other thing, it can go to the small spaces inside the car. And just now I'm going to eat